Battle of the Trench, the third major battle in Islamic history, took place in the 5th year after Hijrah. 10,000 men from the Quraysh and allied tribes marched to Medina to crush the Muslims, who numbered only 3,000 under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Instead of open battle, the Muslims dug a deep trench around the city, a new strategy in Arabia. The trench stopped enemy cavalry, and for almost a month, the Confederates could not break through. Hunger, harsh winds, and distrust weakened them until they withdrew in failure. The battle ended without direct combat, but it was a decisive victory for Islam. It showed that faith, unity, and intelligence could overcome overwhelming odds. And its lesson still guides us today, that with patience, wisdom, and trust in Allah, no challenge is too great